sets are equal or not? Equal or not? Equal or not means?
Ma'am, which are the questions?
Eighth question. State exercise 6B. State whether the following pairs of sets are equal or not. Equal or not means difference between equal and equivalent. Understood now? Equal. Equivalent means what? This is equal. Equivalent means?
Equivalent means same number of elements.
That is cardinality should be
Cardinality
same.
same.
Say that. It is an equivalent set. Here the set should be same. No, equal means same set you should get. So first question. A is equal to set 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is equal to set 2n such that n belongs to n and n less than 5. Check whether these two sets are equal sets or not. That we have to find out. So A, it is in the roster form itself. No need to do anything. Then take this. N, B we want to. First we can write a B. How can we write a B in roster form? 2n. N belongs to n, n less than 5. So n less than 5 means n values will be
1, 2,
0, 1,
1,
2,
2, 3, and
4.
and 4.
We had to find 2n, no? 2n. How can we find 2n?
2 into 1, 2 into
Values 2n.
2 into 1. 1, 2 into 2.
N is equal to
2
1.
into 1.
2n is equal to, if n
1,
is equal to 2n is equal to 2 into 1 is equal
2
to,
into.
if n is equal to 2,
If n
2n is equal to 2 into
2 is equal to 2 into 4.
And this we have to write.
these all things you have to write in your working column. Calculation you have to do in the working column. Okay. So n is equal to 2 into 3. If n is equal to 4, 2n is equal to 2 into
2 is equal to 8.
8. So up to 4 only we need to write, no? So 4. So how can we write to B set? Set B will be instead of set
2, 4,
2, 4. What about A set we have already? We have 2, 4, 6.
So it is an equal set.
Means A is equal to B. Don't write A is equal to B. Since the elements
Since the elements are same.
of A and B, since the elements of A and B are same,
It is an equal set.
it is an therefore it is an equal set. Therefore it is an equal set. Then completed. Then next.
Yes,
question.
ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay. Then second question.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay. We can do it together. Okay, second question. M is equal to set of all x's such that x belongs to W and x plus 3 less than 8 and n is equal to set of all y such that y is equal to 2n minus 1 comma, n belongs to n and n less than 5. So first we can write m, no? M in roster form we can write. After that we can write n. So m, how can we write m? M in roster form for finding m in roster form. We have this in equation, no? X plus 3. Better you do here itself, no? No end of doing in the working column. First you start here itself. X plus 3 less than 8. X belongs to W. So first we can solve this. X plus 3 less than 8. How can we less than, same less than symbol you write here. X less than
8 minus 3.
It's less than 8 minus
8 minus 3.
So, given what? X belongs to W. Therefore, X will be what?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
0, 1, 3, 4.
Therefore, we can write in roster form, set form. Roster form, set. We wrote only X is equal to, no? We have to write in set. 0.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Then next is what? We have to find out n. N. Y is equal to 2n minus 1. Y is equal to 2n minus 1. Can we apply this formula method here? We can substitute only.
No, ma'am. We want to do that.
1 second.
Ma'am, you're muted.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Okay. N belongs to n and n less than 5. So n is
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Here, what is the difference between these two? We
N
can
equal
directly find this value, no? Here we have n. So
Ma'am,
we have
it is
if n equal to 1,
Ah.
equal to 1,
If n
2
equal
into
to
1 minus 1. Minus
1 minus 1 is equal to 2.
1 second, 1 second. Understood the difference between these two? Why we are applying
ma'am.
this method here and why we are applying
Yes,
this method?
no. Ma'am.
Difference, no?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We can't
Yes,
solve
ma'am.
the value, only we have to substitute. We can't solve that. Okay. So if n is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 into 2 minus 1. Set b is equal to
I'm being
Ma'am,
muted.
set n.
Set.
set. Okay.
Set n.
Set a. Okay. N is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. Since the elements are not equal, we can say it as unequal sets. No, they are not equal. Since the elements of
N
and n are not equal. It is not
an equal set.
an equal set. It is not an equal set. It is not an equal set. Question number 3, no need. And question number 3. Okay. Question number 3 and 4, no need. It is that a quadratic equation only. 3 and 4. It will be difficult. So 3 and 4, no need. How to find the value of x using quadratic equations?
Ma'am, please move.
8th, 3 and 4, no need. Okay. 8th set, 3, 4. You have to study that in detail. Factorization expansions. In class 9. 9th text it will be there. Next, after that, 9th question.
Ma'am, which is the 9th question?
9th, say whether which of the following sets are finite set or infinite set. Can I rub this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then 9th one. Then after that we can start subsets. Okay. State whether each of the following sets is a finite set or an infinite set. First one, the set of multiples of 8. The set of multiples of 8. Set of multiples of 8. It is an
Ma'am, 8 to 16.
Infinite set.
8x are 18.
Infinite set.
8x are
Infinite
18.
set. Again it will go.
Again it will go.
Ma'am, again it will
It's
go.
an infinite set.
It is an infinite. Clearly
Ma'am,
it is a
multiplication means wherever it comes, it will be infinite set.
no ending. No. Clearly it is an what? Infinite set. Second question. The set of integers less than 10. Set of integers less than 10. Set of integers.
Infinite set.
The set of integers
Infinite set.
Infinite
Infinite
less
set.
than 10 means 10 less than 10 means 9, 8,
Ma'am, it will not end.
7,
7,
etc. Then
five,
going on. No,
3,
this is the set.
it will go on.
It
is an infinite set.
It is an
Infinite set.
infinite set. Infinite set. Then, if anyone need, write this in the near that. Infinite set. Then, set of whole numbers less than 12. Set of
Finite
set
set.
of
Set.
whole numbers less than 12 means 0 to 0 to etc. up to 11. So it is stop, no? So it is
Finite set.
it is a finite
The
set.
finite.
It is a finite set. It is a finite set. Then fourth question. Set of all x's such that x is equal to 3n minus 2, n belongs to w, and n less than or equal to 8. Without calculation, we can say it, say what? Or you can do the calculation. No?
Finite. It's a finite
It's a
set.
finite set, ma'am.
Do we know?
Finite.
Do the calculation.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It's a finite set.
N means starting from whole numbers means from 0 to 0 to n values means 8 only. No, that values
Yes,
only
ma'am.
we will get. After substituting these values here, we will get the value of x. So it will be a finite set. Okay. So directly we can write. It is a.
Finite set.
It's a finite set. It is a finite set. Then question number 5. X is equal to 3n minus 2. N belongs to Z. N less than or equal to 8. Set of all x. Fifth question. Fifth question. Set of all x such that x is equal to 3n minus 2. N belongs to Z. N less than or equal to 8 is a finite set or infinite set.
I'm infinite set.
Integers. Integers. No.
Infinite.
Yes, ma'am. It's an infinite set.
It is an infinite set. It is an infinite set. It is an infinite set. Then, sixth one, set of all x such that x is equal to n minus 2 divided by n plus 1. N belongs to W. N belongs to W means it will go on. It is an
Infinite set.
Infinite set. Whole numbers mean 0, 2 going on. No, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. going on. Okay. So it is an infinite set. Then next is find the subsets of. How can we find the subsets? So before explaining, using that problems, I will explain that. Exercise 6C. After that, I will explain. Then only it will be very clear. Okay. Subsets. So what is a subset? Suppose our question is set 5, 7 or 1, 2. First question in your text, it is 5, 7. So same way we can do. Which are the subsets of this set A? Which are the subsets? So what is a subset? Set of all elements. Set of all elements should be there. That means we have to find the subsets of A. Means
1 and 2.
1. This question also is a subset. Then empty sets. Null set is a subset. Subsets of A is equal to question, then null set, then set to 1 and set 2. So subsets of A are that question A itself, then null set, then 1, then 2. So what about subsets of 3, 4? Tell me.
A is equal to that.
A is equal to set 3, 4, null set, set 3 and set 4.
Set 4. If all the elements, so how can we say that A is a subset of B? A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B means if all the elements of set A belongs to set B, then set A is said to be a subset of B. If all the elements of A belongs to B, then we can say it as that we can say A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B means if all the elements of set A belongs to what? All the elements of A belongs to B, then we can say that it is a subset. So, for that, suppose A is equal to 1, 2. B is equal to 2, 3, 1, 5. Can we say that A is a subset of B?
No.
A is a subset of B.
No, ma'am.
If A is a subset of B means what we discussed, if all the elements of A, if we want to write is A subset of B, listen my question. A subset of B means all the elements of A should be there in B. All the elements of
Ma'am, A is the subset of
A is a subset.
B is a subset of
B.
A is
A.
A is a subset of B. So that means if we are writing subset, we want to write one equal sign also. If we are not writing that equal sign, it is known as, this is subset. Symbol for subset is this one. This is without writing equal, that is known as proper subset. Proper subset. Difference between subset and proper subset is, subset means one equal sign also is there with that C. Here no equal sign, so it is known as a proper subset. So can we say this as a subset of, can we say it as a subset? A is a subset of B. I am saying it as A is a subset of B, whether it is correct or wrong. What I said? If all the elements of A, which are the elements of A?
1 and 2.
1 and 2. 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
That 1 and 2 is there in
B.
Yes, ma'am, it is 1 and B. No.
that
B,
1 and 2
yes.
is there. That 1 and 2 is in B. Here 2 is here, here 1 is. So we can say that A is a subset of B. That means if all the elements of the set A belongs to set B, the set A is said to be a subset of B. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So how can we say that B is a subset of A? How can we say that B is a subset of A? B is a subset of A. If all the elements of B
are there in A.
then only we can say that it is a
B is a subset of A.
Can we say here? Can we say B is a subset
No,
of A?
ma'am.
No.
It's a
ma'am.
proper.
A is a subset
B
of
have
B.
2 and 1. B have 3 and 5. It is not in A. So we can't say that B is not a proper subset of, B is not a subset of A, not proper. B is not a subset of A. Understood? So subset means all the elements should be there in the another set. Then only we can say that A is a subset of B. Okay, write down. Write the side heading. Subsets. Side heading. Subset. Sub, S-U-B, subset. Subset. Sub of that set is not set, huh?
Ma'am, you want to write exercise 6?
No. First you write subset. First you write subset. After that we can start the exercise. If all the elements of set A, if all the elements of set A, if all the elements of set A belong to the set B, then the set A is said to be the subset of The set A is said to be the subset of B. It is denoted by A subset of B. A subset of B. A is a subset of B. Read as A is a subset of B, or A is contained in B. Usually we are using A is a subset of B. Another way to express is A is contained in B. A contained in B. A is contained in B. Okay. Example, set 1, 2, 3, A, B is equal to 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6. Clearly, what the elements of A. How can we say hello? Elements of
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
how can we say clearly the elements of A
Subset to B.
belongs to
Belongs to
all the elements of A belongs to
element of
B.
B.
All the elements of A belongs to set B. No, elements of A belongs to this set B. Therefore, we can say that A is a subset of B. Elements of set A belongs to elements of set A belongs to set B. Therefore, A is a subset of B. Is it clear? Subset?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have to find out how many subsets are the number of subsets. Okay, that also you write. Number of subsets is equal to number of subsets. Next line. How to find the number of subsets? Then only we can do the problems. Number of subsets. Number of subsets is equal to formula 2 raised to n. 2 raised to n. 2 raised to n formula. So what I told, set 1 example. 1, 2 we discussed now. We wrote subsets. Which are the subsets we wrote? Subsets of A. Subsets of A. Don't write. First listen. Don't write.
Subset of A is equal to set 1, 2,
Ah.
null set,
Null set.
null set 1,
Not
and set 2.
and 1 and set 2.
Set 2. So using our formula, they are saying that what? How to find the number of subsets. Number of subsets. Using this formula, we can write what? We got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Without writing, how can we find the number of subsets? Using this formula. So 2 raised to n is our formula. So 2 raised to n. N is what?
1 and 2.
That is number. N is number, no? How many numbers are there in set A?
2 numbers.
Two numbers.
So n stands for what? 2 numbers, 2. So 2 square is what?
4.
4.
So there will be 4 subsets. So check it. We got it also 4, no? Which are the 4 subsets?
Yes, you want right.
2, 3.
Set 1 to null set 1 and
Understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, one.
So how to find the subsets? We are finding subsets like this way. Then if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, suppose find the subsets of 1, 2, 3, 4 means it is difficult. I will give you. For that, apply which formula first? First find the number of subsets. So if there are 4 means there will be how many subsets?
4 substance.
4 subsets.
8 subsets.
We have to apply this formula. How many numbers? We have
16.
2 raised to n. N stands for
6.
4.
16.
2.
2.
Tell me, A, B, C, D, that is better. Suppose B is the setter. A, B, C, D. We have to find out the subsets of A, B, C, D. How many will be there?
2
How many
raised to
subsets will be
2
there?
raised to 4.
2
2 raised to 4.
4.
1,
4
2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is what? 2 into 2, 4.
16. 16, ma'am.
16.
So 16 will be there. If we do like this way, here we got how many? 4. No.
4.
So we have to get 16. So tell me which are the subsets. Don't write. I will give you. 16 subsets we need. Which is our question? B is equal to set A, B, C, D. Tell me. Subsets of B will be. Don't write anything. Subsets of B will be.
Set A, B, C, D.
No. A, B, C, D and
Null set.
Set
Set A.
Set A. Set B.
Set A. Set B.
Set A. Set B.
Set A. Set B.
Set
Set
C. Set
Set
D.
D.
So now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only we got. Only 6 we got. Remaining 10 we have to find out. No, total 16 should be there. So tell me. Now we got only 6 now. Then grouping.
AB.
Set A B.
Right?
A.
2 together.
Set C D.
Set to AB. Then this A
Set C D.
set to AC. AB. AC.
Set A D.
Set to AD.
AD.
AB.
B.
AC. AD.
Set to B.
Set
Set
B.
B.
A,
Set B A.
C,
Set
B
can
B
we
A.
E.
one second. Don't go back. Understood? Here B means don't go back. Why? Because if we go back means we will get it as BA. Already
Yes, ma'am.
we wrote AB.
Yes, ma'am.
AB and BA are both are same, no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So don't go back. Then look forward only. So
B, C.
B, C.
B C.
BC.
Set B D.
Set D.
BD.
PD.
Set C D.
C, D.
Still completed. Then next we want to do with the
Set C D.
then count it. Up to the 6, no? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we got only 12. Remaining.
Now 4 more needed.
Huh?
4 more needed.
AB2.
So pairing independent, then 2, then next what?
3.
3.
Grouping 3. Tell me. Grouping 3 means first we can take
Set A B C.
ABC.
Set B C D.
set B,
CD.
C, then
Set
Set C D A.
C, set
CDA.
A,
CDA. Set
ACD.
D.
Set D, B, C.
DA.
DAB. DAB.
Set
D.
DA. DAB. So if you are taking that in proper way, then you will get the correct answer. Understood? That order it should be correct. Then you will get, it will be easy. Otherwise, simply taking A, B, then AB, then BC, then DA. Don't do like that way. Okay, do it in an order. So how we get 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining 4 also we got now. So total 2 raised to 4 is what? 16. 16 we got. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now,
Okay,
somewhat,
ma'am.
now somewhat okay now? How to
Yes,
find
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't write, don't write. Don't write. So you have to say after that, we have so many problems in your textbook, or I will give you remaining problems also. First you, but what you have to do is, first you understand what this, how to find the subsets. So tell me a question. Find the subsets.
Number or
A, set A. A is equal to A, B, C, D, we took.
4,
No,
5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Okay, 3 numbers. 5, 6, 7. So first, before finding the subsets, for our convenience, what we will do?
This
2
Write it.
raised to
Find the
n.
number of
Then it will be easy to count it. So
this one.
number
It is 9, 9.
subset
Subset is equal to 9.
set is equal to
3.
set of A is equal to 2 raised to 3.
2 raised to 3, that is equal
Write
to
the formula 2 raised to n, which is equal to 2 raised to
3.
3. Then,
For 8,
that
ma'am.
is equal to 9.
which is
8,
equal
ma'am.
to,
8.
there should be 8 subsets. 8, no? So, which are the subsets? Tell me. Subsets of, don't write. Subsets of A.
5, 6, 7.
5,
5,
6,
6,
7. Set 5, 6, 7.
5,
7,
6,
5.
7.
Null set.
Null set.
Null set.
Set
Null
5.
Set 5.
Set 6.
You have to put comma in between. Okay. Set to
Okay,
5.
ma'am.
Set to
Set
6.
6. Set 7.
7. Okay.
5,
Set
set
5,
5,
6.
set 5, 6. Set 6,
Don't
7.
message in chat.
Set 7.
One second. Don't message in chat box. Why? Because I am writing here, so I am not looking that box, chat box. That's why it is difficult for me to look like this way. So set a 5, 6. You can reply me.
Set 7.
7.
Set 6,
6,
7.
Set 7.
7 and
7.
7, 9.
5,
7.
5, 7.
7. 5,
Then
set 7.
7.
7. 6 and 7.
7.
completed. No.
8. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am,
completed. Yes, ma'am.
Enough or not? Want to do it again? 1,
Enough,
2, 3, 4,
No, ma'am.
7.
Enough, ma'am. Enough, ma'am.
Understood how to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Understood. No. So write it. Take your notebook. Find the subsets of. Find the example. Okay. Find the
6C.
no. Example only. 6C we can do tomorrow. Find the subsets of P is equal to set P is equal to set which number? Tell me. Any two
2, 3, 8, 4. 3,
or
4, 5. 2, 3.
9, 5, 6, 7.
5 numbers we can take. Can we take 5 numbers? No need.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
4, 7.
2,
Or
Yes, ma'am. We can take 5 numbers.
4 is enough. Okay. X,
3,
Y,
4, 5, 6.
X, Y,
Set.
Z,
Set is A.
E. Okay. X, Y, Z, P. First one we have to do. Find the subsets of. Already we wrote that ABCD, same only.
Ma'am, 2 raised to n.
Number of answer. First you write number of, this way you have to answer, okay. Number of subsets is equal to, formula you have to write 2 raised to n, which is equal to, here n is equal to 4, number of elements, that is known as n. 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. So we should get 16 numbers, no? Subsets. Is it clear? All of you. Any doubt, please raise your hands. Those who have any doubt, please raise your hands.
Ma'am, this 2 is equal to 2, 4 is equal to 16. That came because there is, in the set there is 4 numbers.
That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Set A, B, C. Suppose A, B, C means how many numbers? 1, 2, 3. So we can write it as 2 raised to 3. Formula. If A, B only means we will write what? 2 raised to 2. 2 numbers. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are there. So n we can replace it as 4. 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 means what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 4 times. Isn't it? 2 into 2, 4. Here 2 into 2, 4. Then 4 into 4, 16. So 16. Isn't it? Understood now? Basil now?
No, ma'am, Satvik.
Satvik, okay. 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. Then next step what we have to do? I won't write. You want to write.
Ma'am, we need to
Subsets of P
of P is equal to set X, Y, Z and P.
set P, then comma null set.
Set of x.
Set
Set of
Set X, set
Y, set Z and set P.
Others.
Set and Y.
Set
And Y.
What about others?
Set
ma'am XY. Ma'am
Set
X,
Y.
Set
X,
X,
Z.
XY.
Set
Z.
X,
X, Z.
set
Set X, P.
Set XP.
XP.
X.
Set P.
Then we have to take that
Set Y set.
Y.
Set
Y set.
Set
Y
set Y.
same as
YP.
changing the brackets. No. Same as changing the brackets. If you do means it is easy. Y set then YP. Then
Set P.
Z. P.
set P. So 2 completed, no?
yes, ma'am. Now
2 together completed. Next
Three.
Set
now
Set Y set.
X, Y, Z.
X Y set.
Y set
Set Y.
Y set.
P
Y then next
Z.
set
Z.
P X.
Y.
Z. Set P, X, Y. P, X, P.
P
X.
then from here starting
X.
P X
Y.
then next Y. Count it. How many other? We want to get 16. Then only we can finalize. No, our answer is correct or wrong.
Then XY said P. Last one. Four letters, last one.
That already we wrote Y set P.
Ma'am, 16 is there.
Ma'am, 16 are there.
Already we wrote that. No, main set 4 are there. No, that we wrote already. And null set also we wrote. So count it. No need of writing it.
Ma'am, 16 is
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16. Okay.
Ma'am, the time is 12:04.
Okay, can you do now it's I will give you a photo. Exercise 6C. First question. Find a subset of each of the following sets. Do as a homework. Okay. I will send now itself. That first question.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Write in your that homework. Okay. First set, 6C, first one. 6C, first set. Homework. First set, how many questions? 4 questions are there. 4 questions. 1 to 4. 4 questions are there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, all of you can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Understood? No, if you have any doubt, please stay back. Others, you can leave.
Thank you,
I
ma'am.
will wait.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any
Okay,
doubt?
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Others, you can leave. Any doubt?
Thank you,
ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Anyone? Please raise your hands. Then after that, I can leave. Anyone have any doubt? Please raise your hands. No one. Is it okay for you all? Okay. Okay, thank you.